What's up, Wanderers? Hopefully you guys have been good. It's been super rainy and snowy here in California, so we'll get back to our adventure soon, but just wanted to hop on here and show you guys a must-have for the Tacoma. I don't know why I didn't do this earlier, but it is the Yota Verse Seat Jackers. Now, you can get this for one side or both. I decided to get it for both, so we're gonna hop on over and install it on the Tacoma. If you guys are a tall guy like me that owns a mid-size truck or a Tacoma, you guys will see that our feet really don't have a whole lot of room here. It feels like you're almost sitting in like a car, and if any of you have driven a full-size truck, you know that those seats are super comfortable. So it's a great idea from Yota Verse with these seat jackers to basically jack the seat up to give you that full-size feel in a mid-size truck. Alright guys, to install the seat jacker, it's super simple. You guys are going to be removing two bolts here. There's going to be one on the front here, and then on the other side it's a 14 millimeter. So we'll just loosen these guys up. Alright, all we're going to do is raise the seat. We'll slide this new seat jacker bracket right in front here. Now that you've got those brackets tightened up, we're going to line the new bolts into the seat jacker spot here. There you guys have it on the Yota Verse Seat Jacker install. Super simple, probably took us about 10 minutes to do. Just make sure that you align everything perfectly there. First thoughts, Toyota, you should have done this from factory. This is such an amazing mod. Already feels so much better sitting here driving in the driver's seat, ready to drive the truck. So we're gonna do the other side, same install as you just saw. So hopefully you guys like that quick little video, and until next time, we'll be wandering.